Hi everyone, my name is Alberto Mannu and I am a researcher in industrial chemistry at the University of Brescia in Italy. During the next minutes, I will show you how the project WORD improves the sustainability and the circular economy with respect to the state of the art. Nowadays, waste vegetable oils are collected by private companies and are subjected to an easy recycling process. They are filtered on metallic sieves and the free acidity is measured. If the value of the free acidity stands below a threshold which is defined for each country, usually between 1 and 3%, they can be sold to a biodiesel producing facility. When a batch of used vegetable oil shows a free acidity value superior to the defined threshold, it is stored and eventually blended with other batches with a very low content of free fatty acids. This practice has as a consequence the forced storing of high amount of wasted oil. Also, the industrial plants producing biodiesel are big facilities which need elevated amount of raw material in continuous flowing. Thus, to deliver the waste vegetable oil for fuel production, sometimes large trips are needed with a relevant environmental impact. The work project addresses these issues by proposing the employment of regenerated waste vegetable oils as lubricants for chains. We have developed a fast and low-impacting process, operational very easily, which allows to everyone to purify waste cooking oils in small scale, in the order of tens of kilograms, obtaining a product high sustainable if used as a lubricant. Due to its specific chemical composition, this lubricant is especially suitable for lubricating chains. Also, no special limits related to the free acidity content are required, as in the case of fuel production. In the work proposal, a large number of small recycling units are installed on the territory, making it not necessary to move raw material around the country. Also, the fast recycling process reduces considerably the amount of stored material. Combining these aspects with the specific nature of the recycling process, which will be explained in the next lessons, we have achieved a circular, sustainable, and near zero waste solution to address the management of the waste cooking oil produced in any part of the world. Thank you for your attention.